Alright guys, Piff here, welcome back, and today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your Omen laptop's NVMe drive. It's been 2 years now since I bought my Omen laptop. The experience for me has always been fun. The Omen brand is amazing, but it has flaws. Firstly, there's this common problem with the speakers on the 2018 models. My model, the thermals are also horrible, but this is actually true for most, if not all, slim gaming laptops. I also replaced the battery a couple of times this year and I learned so much. And I was always thinking about these other problems. I forgot one thing I should have done on its first year with me, and that is to upgrade my C drive. I only have 128 gigs. Other Omen issues and also my personal projects installed in the drive prevented me to do the upgrade. And you'll know the suffering I'm in when you're in my shoes. Windows updates, app data, program data, again Windows updates. And if you're like me, I always install my programs on drive D. But some programs, they prefer drive C to be their home, and most of them break if transferred. It's December, I get money to spare, let's do this. The benchmark told us that the new ADATA drive is definitely faster compared to my old Samsung stock drive. I really can't tell just by using it. It feels the same. Games run the same. Booting up the same. Well, copying gigabytes of files takes less time. Really? Meh. What I'm really happy about is the space. I sacrificed so many files for 2 years. 2 freaking years. Some may say that 2 terabytes is an overkill for a C drive. But hey, D drive is next. Perhaps a 4 terabyte? And I know I can get the most out of this drive since it is backed up by a 5-year warranty program. ADATA is confident. This drive is also a lot cheaper than most of the competitors. The cloning process is also very easy. Not to mention, the free version of Macrium Reflect supports image and direct cloning, and it's error-free. No boot or runtime errors whatsoever. Just don't cheap out on the Enclosure. I'm sure there are a lot of cheaper options out there. Just don't risk it. It might ruin your drive. And that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Comment your comments in the comments below. Visit and join our subreddit. It's free. We have cookies. Like and share to show your love. And shout out to my friends at HP Omen Facebook group. Look for this group if you have Omen related questions or problems. Link in the description. Thank you again. See you on the next one. God bless.